azenzayo wabona uNxamalala ukuthi ebonali izwe likhishwa kuyona kwenzekani wabuya uNxamalala noMkhonto. So it's disgusting and it's annoying and it's pathetic and it's flabbergasting ukuthi mase kuzoba khona abantu abazothi when it's a clear cut explanation ukuthi kwi-MK akekho umuntu on a permanent position njengoba desho uCommand Mmusi ukuthi this is not the corporate world. You know, there are no permanent positions. It's interim because manje kuyalungiswa and it's so annoyingly so much more ukuthi abantu baxhashazwe ANC for 30 years. 80 plus years ibaxhaphaza ANC, they said nothing. Suddenly i-organization ena less than a year. Anginandaba uneyinkinga zokuthi wena awukho consensus fight ngale removal. It means mina to me angikuboni